Hey everyone, Andrew the Video Guy here at Hyundai Shop, and maybe you've got a scratch on your Hyundai. It happens. Maybe you've had a run-in with a shopping cart, or you've just gotten a new-to-you used car and you've seen that imperfection and you want to clean it up. That's what the Hyundai Paint Pen is for, and today I'll show you how to get that cleaned up and looking good as new. Today we've got a small scratch on the front of the door here, so we're going to take out our paint pen that we've already matched the color code to. You can do this really easily online at HyundaiShop.com. You can always ask us to help you out and get that paint code. Inside, the paint pen comes with two ends on it as well as a sanding stick. So the first thing that we're going to do is to get this cleaned up, wipe it down with a rag, make sure that there's no debris on it, and then come down here with this sanding stick. Just run this lightly along here. It isn't as necessary a part of the process here, but if you've noticed that there's any rust underneath, then you'll definitely want to clean that up with the sanding stick. This one actually looks pretty good. We don't want to get into that too much, but if there was any rust, then we definitely want to clean that out. We're going to wipe it down with a rag again, just to make sure that any debris that we've gotten from sanding it is taken care of. Then we're ready to look at the pen itself. You'll notice that there are two ends on this. On one side there is the color application. On the other side there is clear coat. If you have a small scratch, then the clear coat is probably fine. It will blend that together. But a scratch like this, we're going to start off with the color side of the application. Before opening it up, shake it up really good. We're talking 30 seconds to a minute here of just making sure that everything is properly mixed up within there. And then when we are all set with that, and I've done talking my way through 30 seconds or so, we'll pop that open. And we've got a felt tip right here. There is some air buildup in there, so we need to release that. Let's see if we can hear that on the mic. Couldn't quite hear it there, but again, we push down on the tip in and let out. Sometimes you'll hear a pop of air. Now we need to activate the pen. We need to get the paint coming down into the tip. So we're going to repeatedly press on it until we start to see that paint coming down. Once it has come down all the way and has started to coat the actual tip, then we are ready to start. This works better in warmer temperatures. Obviously, that's not where we are right now, but it will still work just fine. And I think we're good to go. For best results, it's important to note that this is not like a normal felt tip marker. You are not going to just draw along over here. You are going to dab your paint onto the spot. As it dries, that is going to blend a bit better, but already that's looking great. And I can tell that Travis behind the camera is very happy with how we're already getting his car looking nicer right here. That is a little lighter, but we're going to just give that a few dabs there. Okay, when we are done with that coat, we're going to wait 30 minutes, because it's cold, maybe an hour, just for that to dry. If you have a deep scratch, you may want to do a second coat of the color, but that has filled that in pretty well right there. When you're done with color, you can optionally go over that with clear coat. Make sure that you wait maybe 3 to 6 hours for the paint to fully cure before you apply your clear coat, and then same thing there. The clear coat is much the same as the color side was. Again, press in to get rid of the air. Ooh, I could actually hear it that time. And then dab multiple times onto a piece of cardboard or something to get that to actually come out. Apply with the same blotting motion rather than drawing. And there we go, we've got that all set. It doesn't take much to get your car feeling good as new with the Hyundai Paint Pen. These come in so many colors. Go to HyundaiShop.com, select it, enter your VIN, and we will make sure that the correct color gets sent out to you. There are places to find the paint code in the car, but entering the VIN of your vehicle is the easiest way to ensure that we get a proper match to the color of your car, and you're set. It's easy as that. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Go to HyundaiShop.com and get your Hyundai Paint Pen today.